Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by isolating power and confirming 0 volts at the compressor motor. Once done, read the nameplate to know voltage, phase, and amp draw so you size conductors correctly. Next, match the wiring diagram to the motor terminal box and identify run or start capacitor terminals if present. Make sure you have the correct contactor and thermal overload. Finally, strip leads neatly, use ferrules where needed, and organize wires for the next step. Don't skip labeling each conductor. You now mount the contactor and thermal protector close to the motor to minimize voltage drop and noise. Then, connect incoming supply L1, L2, L3 to the contactor line side and the contactor load side to T1, T2, T3 on the motor. Torque terminals to spec to avoid heating. Once done, wire the start and run capacitor or centrifugal switch per the schematic and attach control coil to the pressure switch or control circuit. Finally, route cables in conduit with strain reliefs and double-check connections. You're ready to test. With guards on, reapply power and energize the contactor for a short no-load run. Watch rotation direction and motor amps. If reversed, swap any 2 motor phases. Make sure the pressure switch cycles and the overload doesn't trip. Once running, listen for unusual vibration or bearing noise, then shut down and secure covers. If you hit a problem, motor hums, stalls, or draws high current, check phase sequence, replace the start capacitor, and confirm tight, correct terminal connections as your primary troubleshoot tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.